Hi, my name is Kashyap and I am hereby showing my work for the project given by iCounselor. Project is on weather forecast and the dataset was given in the Excel file which was in the form of data from 2022 to 2033, but it is in the form of 2022. So only we need to pre-process the data and format it into up to a 2033, which I had performed in the Python coding. So let us move to the Python code. So first of all, I have imported libraries like pandas and numpy. Then I read the CSV files. This is my header. I have checked whether there is a null value present in my data set or not. This is my shape of the data set. Then I have removed the duplicates. After removing duplicates, I know I got 3902 and before that 3903. That means I have one duplicate rows. Then this is all my columns. Then I have fixed some labeling in the form of in better visual format. Then I have dropped two columns which are not required for my further process. Then this is my after formatting, I have this much columns. Then remove irrelevant data, and the main thing is year correction. So we had 2022 data only, which are in the form of we need to format it into up to 2022 to 2033. So this is the code for that, and I have achieved it. And then I have sent to CSV, and this is my cleaned CSV. Now in order to perform further analysis, I have imported my CSV file into SQL server, and over. So first query is basically given a minimum number of days when the temperature reduced. So I got 1827 days. Then second, whether the cold or hot based on average temperature. So I got this data when my average temperature is less than the average of average temperature. Then come to the third query, which are all 4 consecutive days when the temperature below 30 Fahrenheit. I have used CT as well as the self-join concept. I got this result. Then coming to fourth query, I have maximum number of days when the temperature dropped, 1827 days. Then have find the average of the humidity from the data set, 48.88. Find the group by clause. Use the group by clause on the data column and make a query to fetch details of for the average wind speed. I got 5.75, and if the maximum gust speed increases from 55, then fetch the next 4 days. Then ninth query, find the number of days when the temperature went below the 0 degree. So I got this 14, and create another table with the foreign key relation with the existing given data. So I had created different tables with the primary key as an integer, ID as an integer not null, then date ID, season, snowfall, foreign key as a date ID, and the reference is my previous data set, and I got this as a result. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you.